Okay, stick this one. No! Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 3. We are, hang on, let me get in the car. We are going, I have Mimi and Emmy, and we are going to Walmart. And did you say you wanted to go to the thrift store? Is that where you wanted to go?
The consignment store, yeah.
And then we're gonna go to, wait, the kids one?
Yeah.
It's called Once Upon a Child. It's a like kids consignment store. So that's where we're going right now. I left Andrew with the baby at home in a bottle, so hopefully that goes okay for them. But yeah, happy Vlogmas day 3. Emmy's like latest obsession is Happy Meals from McDonald's, so we're gonna get her a Happy Meal when we go to Walmart. Emmy, do you want a Happy Meal? Okay. Do you want a hamburger Happy Meal? Okay. Okay. Hey Emmers, is that a good hamburger? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's delicious. And Paw Patrol shoes. You see Paw Patrol shoes? How do you even know Paw Patrol? It's not the store. Did you color today? You got some colors all over you. Okay, so I think we're gonna get a pair of these. These are also kind of cute. And for some reason, I like these.
Oh, I like the leopard one.
Those are cute too. Hey, leopard is neutral. And then these are cute. Decisions. Look at how cute you are. I love them. Look at this. This is where all the size 7s would be, down there on the bottom row. They are all picked over. So Emmy woke up from her nap just a little bit ago. She took a pretty decent nap, maybe 2 hours. That's what she's been kind of doing lately. And then I got some work done, and now we have Andrew watching football. Oakley's chilling on the ground. I'm gonna have to wake him up because he's going on 3 hours without eating, and I try and feed him every 3 hours just to kind of keep him on a schedule. So I'm gonna wake him up. Are you grumpy? No, I'm grumpy. Oh, I think you're grumpy. She's eating a cookie that her Mimi made. It's bananas, oatmeal, and raisins, and that is it. Is it good? Are you grumpy? Yeah, she's grumpy. I am gonna show you a little haul of all the things that we got from Walmart for the kiddos. I didn't get anything besides a bunch of clothes for them, so I'm gonna show you all the things that I got. I actually think they're really cute. I am going to show you the little haul right now. I am wearing Oakley, and he is not in a great mood either, so I'm gonna try and do this and see if he'll let me. I'm gonna first show you what I got for Oakley. So I got all of his stuff in size 3 to 6 months. He's not at all in size 3 to 6 months, but he is growing pretty quickly, and I would like for him to get a little bit more use out of his clothes. So I sized him up a little bit. Also, he has a really long torso and kind of shorter legs. So he's still in size 0 to 3 months, very much so in pants, but not so much in these like sleepers and bodysuits. So he will definitely get a lot of use out of the pants. So anyways, I got him a pair of gray joggers and then a pair of black joggers, and they're actually very, very soft. And then I got him this little bodysuit. I liked the sleeves on it. I thought that was really cute, and it has a dinosaur. And then I got this bodysuit. It has those same stripes on the sleeves. And then I think this is like a monkey maybe? Oh, it's an elephant. Okay, so this one has an elephant on it. And then I love camo, so I had to get him a camo one. And like I said, these are all 3 to 6 months. And then these sleepers are super soft and super like cozy. So because we're getting into the colder winter months, I wanted to get him some of these. We already got him 2, but then I got him 3 more today. So I got this one with a little moose on it. This one is buttons actually. but it's kind of cool. It doesn't have the buttons like up the legs. It has just the buttons up this one side because I am not a fan of buttons, but I thought that this wouldn't be so bad. And I liked the fuzzy material, and it's really cute and has a bear. This is kind of a brown color. And then this one is not that fuzzy, like fleecy material. It's just kind of like a cotton, or I don't know what you'd call that. But it's this was actually in the girls section, but we love this color. It's Carolina blue. Andrew is a huge Tar Heel fan, so we get as much stuff in this blue color as we can. Go Tar Heels. So we got this one from the girls section of Little Babies, but it doesn't look very girly to me. So this one has a little elephant on it, and I thought that was really cute. So that's all the stuff that I got for Oakley. These little bodysuits were $4.48 each. The pants were $4.48 each. And then these little sleepers were $4.97 each. Well, actually, this one was $4.97, and these fleece ones were $7.44. And then for Emerson, I don't know why, but I loved these sweats. So I got them for her. She's in 3T. She's kind of, her legs are so long that she doesn't really fit in 3T, but she's got a tiny little waist. And so the 3T are even too big on her waist, but she definitely needs the length. She could even use 4T length, but those are just way too big on her. But these were $4.48. And then I wanted to just get her some basic tees to just kind of wear around the house to lounge in. So I got 3 of them, and I got them in kind of darker colors because she has so many pink things that I just wanted to kind of change it up. She actually does have a pink one of these, but so I got 3 of these in a 3T. These are $3.48 each. Got a black one, a gray one, and then this blue one. And I like these because they're kind of cute at the bottom. They're shorter up on the sides and then longer in the front and the back, as opposed to, they had some boys ones, but the boys are just straight across at the bottom. So these were really cute. They're also really soft. And then my mom got her this red one for the Christmas time. We're not quite sure how we're going to use it. We have some ideas, but we got that one just to have. All right, I'm going to wrap this up really quickly, but I got this kind of velvety dress for, I don't know, it's going to be for the holidays sometime, maybe to go see Santa at the mall. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm going to pair it with some little tights and then some little sweet shoes, and she's going to look so cute in this. And this was $7.84. For dinner tonight, Andrew made something just really easy. These are ravioli from Costco. They're the spinach and cheese ravioli, and I think they're organic. And then this is just some pasta sauce, non-organic, so kind of defeats the purpose, but this is just the one we got. And then this is, again, non-organic pesto. But let us look at these cookies. Andrew made these cookies on a whim. They are brown butter toffee cookies, and oh my goodness, they are killer. You can totally taste the brown butter. They're topped with sea salt, like flakes. Oh, they are so good. He outdid himself on that one. Emmy is boycotting dinner and boycotting sitting in her high chair. Huh? Are you hungry?
No.
Well, too bad. You're gonna have to eat some dinner, okay? If you eat some dinner, we're gonna do something really special after you eat dinner, but you have to eat dinner.
No.
Dramatic. Hey, you wanna do something special?
No.
Do you want to decorate a gingerbread house?
Oh
You don't want to?
no. No.
Well, Mimi does.
Well, I think we're gonna do it. Yeah, Mimi and Dada and me and Brother Oakley, we're gonna decorate a gingerbread house, okay? And you don't want to?
No.
Bob?
A treasure house. A treasure house.
A gingerbread house. You want to make it?
Okay.
You want to build it?
Okay.
Okay, let's get it out, all right? No more. No more, baby. Okay, look. Take a candy.
She eating it?
Yes. Take a candy. You stick it right there. So put it right there. On this one. Good job, bud. Put another one right there.
Put one on, eat one. Hey,
No, no
hey,
more.
no more.
Take a bite. Oh, no, don't take a bite.
No,
Don't
no,
take a bite. There we go. Okay, here. Don't eat anymore. Mama's gonna help you. Squeeze it. Okay, let go. Over here. Squeeze it. Okay, let go. Good girl. One more time. Okay, let go. Okay. No more. Here. She's fast. Before I can even tell her what to do,
Emerson,
she stuck it in
look
her
at Dad.
mouth.
Is it good? Let me see. Show me what you got.
Okay, let's do this. Stick this one right here. Okay? Stick this one. No! Great job.
Okay, now put some sprinkles on it.
Here, Emerson, here. Emerson, here. Whoa. Whoa. Now sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching day 3 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are still enjoying it. I know I am still enjoying doing it. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at ALLIE_gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.